Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch ES and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after we stop using our watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, select the display option, and here scroll down, find the option called advanced and select it, and right here we have the option called sleep. Tap on it, and now we can scroll through the list of durations. We have 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds and auto. Select the one you like, for example 10 seconds, then tap on the check mark, and once you're done you can press the side button to go back to watch face, and now my screen should turn off automatically after 10 seconds of inactivity. So let's wait. Like this. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.